Hello, folks. Nice meeting you all here for the first time ever. This is Madeline from Ingredients for You marketing team, and this is our first video podcast from Ingredients for You. From this month, we'll be posting a video podcast every month on LinkedIn or YouTube channels. Subscribe or follow us if you haven't already. For the video podcast, we will be sharing some industry insights of ingredients, nutrition, as well as some bigger trends in the industry. Today, our topic will be about hyaluronic acid, and we have invited our the head of our international sales team, Penny Yu, to do this interview with us. Hi, Penny.
Hi, Mandy.
Thanks for agreeing to do this with me. First of all, could you please introduce about the current global hyaluronic acid market and segment analysis?
Yeah, sure. So, according to applied market research, the global end market of hyaluronic acid is roughly about 15 billion. Correspondingly, the ingredient market is about 2 billion on year 2021. The total production capacity is around 1,100 tons every year, with the growth rate around 8%. Regarding the segment part, we all know that hyaluronic acid is used in pharmaceutical, cosmetic, and nutraceutical industry. Among all of them before year 2018, the cosmetic grade still has more than 50% in all applications. However, in recent 3 years, food grade hyaluronic acid has increased very quickly, and until this year, the whole food grade hyaluronic acid has been more than 50%, which is bigger than cosmetic grade. North America is still the biggest market now in hyaluronic acid industry, but Asia, including China, is the quickest growth market these years.
Thank you, Penny. My next question would be about the food grade hyaluronic acid. So, could you briefly introduce why people need to take it, especially orally?
So first of all, it is because it is an inherent substance of human body. And with people's aging, the hyaluronic acid will begin to run off since age 18. By the age of 60, only 25% of hyaluronic acid will be lost in human body. Regarding oral part, as there is a great limitation when hyaluronic acid is applied on the surface of the skin. And oral intake will be through gastrointestinal absorption. It enters the blood circulation system and is absorbed by human body. When it is absorbed by human body, it will form a three-dimensions structure to provide a superior external environment for the synthetic of collagen and elastic fibers in the dermis and mainly play a function of delay aging, immune system, and others. Research has also proved that human absorption of hyaluronic acid is also excellent in blood, knee joint, and skin.
Ah, thank you. That's interesting. Now I'm curious about how the hyaluronic acid helps to fix and take care of joints specifically. Could you share with us?
Yeah, so it is the main component of articular cartilage and the souvenir fluid. It is secreted by synovial cells, fibroblasts, and chondrocytes. It has many physiological functions, such as regulating protein expression, assisting the diffusion and transport of water, dielectric, promoting wound healing, and so on. It plays an important role in protecting articular cartilage. Hyaluronic acid can be divided into endogenous acid and exogenous hyaluronic acid. Exogenous can be supplemented when endogenous hyaluronic acid production and metabolism are abnormal, resulting in tissue and organ dysfunction.
We know that there are a lot of manufacturers of hyaluronic acid in the market right now. Well, it means a lot of choices are here for sure. So, what makes it a great hyaluronic acid ingredient to use?
So there's several parts to decide whether it is the ingredients good or not. First of all, it must have a pure white, delicate and free of black spots appearance. Also, we know hyaluronic acid needs to be produced in a stereo environment. So the control of microbiological performance is very important. It also needs to have a fine particle size, as the very big particle size will be difficult in finished product production. The color of solution needs to be transparent and clear. And note, aldolic acid content is also an important factor to justify whether it is good, as aldolic acid is the content that could be used to convert to hyaluronic acid content. And we trust we could control all of above factors well, and we have a very good stability performance on our product, high purity. For every batch, we always test the merit for every value and stable control of pH, low heavy metal performance, and we trust we could be an excellent choice for you.
Thank you, Penny, for sharing with us. It was very interesting and educating. It definitely helps me understand more about the hyaluronic ingredient. And guys, stay tuned for our next podcast. See you next time. Bye.
Bye. See ya.